Look what we got, y'all. It is October 21st, and we got the first snowfall. I don't know if you guys could tell, but it is snowing pretty darn hard. Look, be our first snowfall. It is. It's got a good bit of snow. I'm going to sit down here waiting on Tim to come out. Pretty good. It's really pretty, though, but I hate snow. I don't like it to mess the roads up, but I know you people that watch my videos that don't get snow like to look at it. It looks cool from the trees coming down, but you can't tell through the glass. If I was standing out there, you could probably see it a whole lot better. Or if I zoom in, you might be able to see it. There you go. Now you can see it a whole lot better, huh? It's not bad at all. It's pretty though. Snow is really pretty. It's not supposed to stick to like roads or nothing, just a little bit on the ground, and it's gonna melt quickly, they said, because we're too warm. Oh well, it is what it is. Okay, young ones, we didn't really do much today, just went here, there, nothing filmable. So I'm making some dinner. I'm making chicken. I'm making them some mac and cheese. We're gonna do, and I'm gonna put Taco Bell chipotle sauce on it. Love it. I put this shit on everything. Y'all know that. And so I'm doing like the chicken chipotle. And then I got broccoli I'm gonna throw in with that. It's gonna be so delicious. Right now we're supposed to get some sun this evening, so yeah, it's about 4:50. We're hungry, so I'm just going ahead and getting this stuff made up. No, snow didn't last long at all, did it? Good. Pretty and all, but I don't like it to make the roads messy. You can start wrecking. Getting hurt. People falling, getting hurt. No fun. It's very cold outside, guys. That it is. It's very cold out, y'all. I'll show you guys when I go out. I gotta go to Errands and Dunkin's, get me a coffee, go to Krogers. Krogers got their pops on sale, so I gotta run in and get that. Ain't got to, but we'll do. They had them on sale for a while. I still got a case back here of Coke, but that's about it. And Sprite. So we're gonna get me some. And it lasts me forever. Because I'm the only one drinking. Megan will once in a while. Like last night she had a Sprite, but I'll pick her up some pop dip. She likes Dr. Pepper a lot. Just regular Dr. Pepper, so. I'll give her some too. and have a coffee. I want to get these done, trying to get my hair done because it's cold outside and I don't have a hair dryer. So, my hair will dry a little bit before I get out there and get all wet. It's wet, it's cold, makes me colder. See, gives my hair a hot mess. It is so cold outside, you guys. Oh, it's raining a tad bit too. Anyways, we're back home. I could not film it. It was so busy in Krogers. You know what one? It's a marketplace. Oh, it was packed. Anyways, at noon on a Friday. Everybody must be wanting to shop at the same time like me. Anyways, I stopped at Dunkin's. And then I just got a few things from Krogers. I got 3 things of this blue bullnut butter, stick butter. Make some cookies, stuff like that over at my sis. There's house. It was only $1.29. So they had the creamer on sale. My 0 sugar pepper mocha, I got one of those, or 2 of those. I got 2 of the Taco Bell chipotle sauce, because you know I love it. And then I got 2 of the, my turkey pepperonis, because I love them too. And then I got pop. I got 2 cases of Dr. Pepper for Megan, because she likes regular Dr. Pepper. And then I got me 3 cases of caffeine-free Diet Dr. Pepper. Or Diet Dr. Pepper. Diet Coke, I mean. I already put it up, though, so that's why I didn't show you guys. But anyways.